In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Advanced Features. Then scroll down again and click on Dual Messenger. Now you need to tap on gray switches next to your apps you wish to clone and confirm your choice by tapping on Install in the pop-up. If you want to use a separate contact list, click on this gray switcher next to it, tap on it on the left, hit Select Contacts, and by tapping on Add at the top right corner, you can select all of your contacts and then select Done to save them. To disable this option, click on the same No Blue switcher and hit OK in the pop-up. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on the No Blue switcher. Then hit Uninstall and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!